the Z Fold 7 or Z Fold 6S, the special edition of the Z Fold 6. That's considered the Z Fold 7. Yeah, that's lordy. Every time I look at the Z Fold 7 anything, I just absolutely look away like, all right, yeah, we're really doing it this year, huh? We're just copying and pasting a phone, and we're all going to take a year off and wait for the Z Fold 8. Because that's when the Oppo the OnePlus Open 2 comes out. The Oppo Find N5 copy and paste. That's when the Pixel 11 Pro comes out. Pro Fold, lordy. That's when that comes out. And 2028 is also, not 2028, excuse me, 2026 is when we're also going to get the Apple foldable phone. But 2025 is this. Let's show it off. At least Google is coming out with a great phone this year. At least keeps us somewhat okay. So this is the renders of the Z Fold 7. Yep. Oh yeah, no. If in your head you said, hey, I think I have that phone in my pocket. You kind of do. You kind of do. Except for it's thinner. That's right. This phone is rumored to be thinner. By how much? We have to wait and see. Because there's probably not that much thinner. I would say 5% because that's what the special edition was size-wise, thinner-wise. But it's very possible it's less than 5%. Listen, it's a great phone. Okay. If you're on a Z Fold 3 or Z Fold 4 and you haven't updated your phone or you're kind of waiting, I'd wait for the Z Fold 8, to be honest. That would be my recommendation. But if you're like, I can't wait another year, I'm going to Z Fold 4, then yeah, this phone is going to be a good phone. I would probably recommend just getting a cheaper variant of it, going with the non-official fan edition, which is just a Z Fold 6. That's what we are getting a fan edition without getting a fan edition, guys. The Z Fold 6 is the fan edition of the Z Fold 7. I'd just get the Z Fold 6, to be honest. And I'd get it for as cheap as I could, maybe like $800-900. And then I'd just wait for the Z Fold 8 to come out. And that's pretty much what my recommendation would be moving forward. The Z Fold 7 is going to sell none. There's going to be a very, very bad market for this phone because, again, this year, this phone is underwhelming. It's rumored to have the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which just came out in the Oppo Find N5, but it's going to be a watered-down version for the Z Fold 7. Yeah, it is what it is at the end of the day. Wait for the Z Fold 8. Don't mess with this phone. If you have to upgrade, get a Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That thing's going to have a brand new Tensor chip in it, and it's also going to make you never want Samsung again. Just a fact at this point. Unless you use Samsung DeX. If you use Samsung DeX, you might want to go back to Samsung, but I highly doubt it. See you guys next one. Peace.